Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. As usual, I'm Max.
And I'm Nicky.
And together we're Max and Nicky.
Hey, we have got a great show in store for you tonight. But first, Max, I really gotta go pee.
Well, I told you not to drink all that pee. Guys, normally Nicky and I like to perform a song as part of our set. But we only ever get a chance to sing with each other and never get a chance to sing with all of you, the audience. So what we'd like to do right now is sing a song with all of you.
How about it? You guys want to sing a song with us? How about it?
Come on, you guys want to sing a song with us? All right, we'll choose a song I'm sure everybody knows, Do, Re, Mi.
Do, Re, Mi from The Sound of Music. We all learned it as kids, right? From The Sound of Music.
Okay, this will be our starting note. Do, do, everybody, do, 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 do. No, Nicky, not up here, down here. Nicky, this is our starting note. Nicky, right here. Nicky, this is our starting note. Nicky, right here. Nicky, everybody, Nicky, everybody, Nicky, Nicky. All right, good. On the count of 4, we'll begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, a deer, a female deer.
Ray Romano here. Hi, Ray Romano. Hi. I just want to be part of this song. I like this kind of song. We were watching this kind of kids with the kids and the families. It was kind of cool. I gotta get back on the wife. Gotta get back on the wife. I gotta wake up. I'm a sports writer.
You guys like the movie Scream? Come on, do you guys like the 1996 thriller classic Scream? Stop it, you're scaring me.
It's okay, Max. It's just me, Nicky.
It's just Nicky?
Yeah. Come on. I'll take you home.
Some of you might know that Nicky and I are half Filipino.
So if Max is half Filipino,
And Nicky's half Filipino.
then together we make one full man.
Most of you now know that Nicky and I are half Filipino. And growing up, Nicky and I would refer to our aunts as auntie. Auntie Loling, Auntie Hetty, Auntie Nene. But that was a little unusual because normally in Filipino families, you would refer to an aunt as tita, which got us thinking, if a Filipino aunt is normally referred to as tita, are 2 Filipino aunts normally referred to as titties?
Or are 2 Filipino aunts instead referred to as big old titties?
I'm not sure.
This is our impression of Freddie Mercury if he were from Louisiana.
I just gotta get out, just gotta get right out of here. This is my impression of a French sneeze. Ah bonjour Nicky, comment ça va aujourd'hui?
Bah, ça va bien, et toi?
Ça va, ça va. J'ai fait mon clic-tac. Hatchoo! Pardon. En tout cas, qu'est-ce que tu as dit tout à l'heure?
Bah, j'avais l'impression que c'était bonjour, mais ça fait longtemps que je suis...
Hatchoo! Ouais.
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 Who here?
Have you ever said something to a friend that they thought was really weird, but their reaction was even weirder than what you originally said? The following is an example.
Man, Max, I went poo 5 times today. Who here is a fan of Paul McCartney? Come on, who here is a fan of Paul McCartney from the Beatles?
Who here is a fan of 2 Paul McCartneys?
You know, the Rolling Stones are sort of a blues cover band. But I'm a cheerful person. They're our mates, you know. I was in the studio the other day with my mate Ronnie Wood.
yeah.
We were talking about Pet Sounds.
Oh, Pet Sounds.
You know, without Pet Sounds, there wouldn't have been a Sgt. Pepper's.
You know, but I asked me mates if they wanted to go to the studio.
Record a few more tunes.
Record a few more tunes. You know, add some bells and whistles.
A bits in trombones.
Some queekers and cockle-doodle-doos. You know, we're rock and roll, man. Yeah.
Have you guys ever been on the phone with somebody and that person tries to give you a name, but you can't really understand what they're saying? So they try to spell out the name by providing words that start with each letter in the name? The following is an example.
Hello?
Hi, Max, this is Nicky.
Oh, hi, Nicky.
Max, what was that name of that foot doctor you went to?
Dr. Jablin.
Sorry, what was that?
Dr. Jablin. That's J as in Jablin. A as in apple. B as in boy. L as in Laura. I as in lowercase l. N as in Nicky.
Cool. What's his phone number?
1 is in 100. 3 is in 33. 2 is in 25. 3 is in 35. 3 is in 37.
Wait, 3 is in 36?
No, 3 is in 37. 4 is in 44. 7 is in 7. 7 is in 77. 7 is in 57. 5 is in 57. 1 is in 12. 8.
Cool, so then that's 1 is in 100, 3 is in 33, 2 is in 25, 3 is in 35, 3 is in 37, 4 is in 44, 7 is in 7, 7 is in 77, 7 is in 57, 1 is in 12.
5 is in 57.
Sorry, 5 is in 57, 1 is in 12, 0.
No, 8.
Oh, sorry. So then that's 1 is in 100, 3 is in 35, 2 is in 25, and so on and so forth. He said we got the light in the microphone. Ladies and gentlemen, right now...
I'm sorry, I gotta go to the bathroom right now. I got diarrhea.
Okay. Well, it's too bad Max had to leave, because we're just about to bring out our special guest. It's our Italian cousin who's visiting from out of town. Now, here's the thing. While he understands English, he only speaks Italian, so I'll translate for him. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, please welcome to the stage our Italian cousin, Maximiliano. Hi, Maximiliano.
Buongiorno.
You know, Maximiliano, I haven't seen you in such a long time. Can I ask you a few questions to get to know you a little bit better?
Okay.
All right, Maximiliano, first question to get to know you better. What's your favorite number?
E se senti lo bucino delle vizi di vero, totalmente rivincendo il visione del microfono, di buon delle vizi cielo, ma delle vicende delle bucce delle vizi di vero, se senti.
He says his favorite number is 1 as in 100. But maybe it's 1 as in 12. But it's probably 1 as in 1.
Era voci.
It's true, it's true. All right, Maximiliano, next question. What's your favorite thing that you like?
Viento. Fresh.
He likes going to hip-hop concerts.
Era voci.
All right, Maximiliano.
Era voci.
It's true, it's true. All right, Maximiliano, final question to get to know you better. Can you teach me some advanced Italian?
Ok. Allora, ripetendo. A tutti i frutti di 100%.
Ho tutti i frutti che hanno presento.
Ehi, Nicky. No. A tutti i frutti di 100%.
Ho tutti i frutti che hanno presento.
Ehi, Nicky, no, tutti i frutti di 100%.
Ho tutti i frutti che hanno presento.
Ehi, Nicky, no, tutti i frutti di 100% pizzi vero, perché la invece che per poter mettere da pizzi vero, staccare per giovane da vicino lo bucciano, staccare per giovane da pizzi mi che piccano in giovane per ripetere lo bucciano di via, lo bucci, viando, bucci, viando. E San Marco Pellegrini, a tutti i frutti di 100%, Cicurelli, Ralph Macchio, Natascia Leggero. E invece, a Jacuzzi Bacchini. A colonoscopy, eh?
He says it's true, it's true. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Maximiliano. I'm Nicky Weinbach. Thank you for listening. Have a good night.